Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the classic Doom games within Doom Eternal. First, you will need to find the old computer located in the Doom Slayer's office. This special room is situated inside the Fortress of Doom, which serves as your main hub. You can typically access this office and the computer after completing the third mission of the main campaign. To unlock the original Doom, specifically the Ultimate Doom, you must embark on a quest to find all 14 cheat code floppy disks. These valuable collectibles are cleverly hidden throughout the various missions of Doom Eternal's campaign. Once you have successfully gathered every single disk, return to the computer in the Slayer's office, and the first Doom game will be fully unlocked and ready to play. Unlocking Doom 2, Hell on Earth, is a bit simpler. Head back to the computer in the Doom Slayer's office and select the second file, which will prompt you for a password. Type in Flintagart, exactly as shown. This classic game can be unlocked much earlier in your playthrough, as soon as you gain access to the office after the third mission, without needing to collect any disks. Once unlocked, you can enjoy full versions of both the Ultimate Doom and Doom 2, Hell on Earth. These classic titles are presented on a virtual CRT screen, offering an authentic retro gaming experience. You can save your progress within these games and even utilize any cheat codes you have unlocked in Doom Eternal, adding a fun twist to your classic demon-slaying adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.